March 20th, 2018. May I have your attention, please? Here's the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Mrs. Fair. Doc and Mohammed showed their golden hearts when they helped Kunal pick up his popcorn when it fell on the floor. Thank you, Doc and Mohammed. Here's our citizenship announcement from last year's character journals. Maximus E. is a good citizen when he picks up trash, doesn't litter, and serves our community. Please quietly stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing.
May be seated crisscross, please, silently. Today we celebrate the Citizenship Pillar of Character. Students who are good citizens cooperate with others. They make their school and community a better place. They obey rules and laws. Good citizens take their right to vote seriously. They learn about the candidates for office and they vote in every election. Several students were nominated to represent their classes as very good citizens. You have seen their posters on the bulletin board in the main hallway. Today we're going to find out what they do to show good citizenship.
Adam Sable and Bella Snow. Adam and Bella always work well as buddy leaders in the classroom. Bella and Adam use brave talk, nice talk, and listening bodies in the classroom. They are polite and very well-mannered inside the classroom and have grown their Slackwood Golden Hearts. Thank you, Bella and Adam. Emily Cuevas Gonzalez. Emily volunteers in her classroom community. She follows the rules and encourages others to do the same. Emily is honest and can be trusted to do what is asked. Thank you, Emily. Julian Gonzalez. Julian follows our classroom rules every day. He puts his belongings away to keep his classroom neat. Julian pledges the flag with respect every day. Thank you, Julian. Juan Pascarasco. Juan always stands proudly for the Pledge of Allegiance. He takes pride in his classroom and is a helpful member of our community. Juan does his job each day and always tries to do the right thing. Thank you, Juan. Marcos Xavier and Carol Zachkowski. Marcos and Carol are proud of their school. They do their best to keep their classroom in order. They work hard in class and take their learning seriously. They come to many of the evening events here at Slackwood with their families. Carol and Marcos are proud of the United States. They say the Pledge of Allegiance and sing the patriotic song with respect. They are also proud of the countries where their parents were born. They continue to speak their family's native languages and practice customs that represent their family's culture. Marcos and Carol are golden-hearted. They are friends to everyone. They know that words can be very powerful. They are careful to speak to others with kind words and try to make other people feel good. Thank you, Carol and Marcos. Zion Holmes and Sarah Wazir. Zion shared a presentation on Black History Month to teach our class about important people. Sarah always helps to keep our classroom clean and returns classroom materials when she is done with them. They both offer a helping hand to other students in the class when they need assistance. Thank you, Sarah and Zion. Layla Affleck. Layla is a great role model for Slackwood School. She welcomes new friends and helps them adjust to their new class. She always has a hug to give or a kind word to say to friends. especially if they are sad. Layla is a hard worker too. Often when her work is complete, she will help others complete their work while giving them often needed encouragement. Layla is a super citizen, and we are lucky to have her at Slackwood School. Thank you, Layla. Isabella Pollock and Jonathan Linsford. Isabella and Jonathan are cooperative and treat their classmates with respect. Jonathan and Isabella proudly and respectfully salute the flag every day. They look out for their classmates and are willing to speak up for them. Thank you, Jonathan and Isabella. Lucas McKenna, Aaron Prisborowski, and Patrick Stoike. Lucas, Aaron, and Patrick proudly represented Slackwood School while singing the national anthem at the Harlem Globetrotters game. Aaron, Patrick, and Lucas led our class in the national anthem. They were so excited. Patrick, Lucas, and Aaron love to help others in the classroom. Thank you, Lucas, Aaron, and Patrick. David Fielkowski, Madeline Stone, and Martin Ossie. David, Madeline, and Martin are good citizens when they stand to say the Pledge of Allegiance. They sing our patriotic songs with pride. Madeline, Martin, and David work hard to follow the rules in the classroom and the school. They are responsible when they do their classroom jobs every day. Martin, David, and Madeline take responsibility for their actions and always try to remedy any mistakes they make. They encourage others to follow the rules and make good choices. Thank you, Martin, Madeline, and David. Julan Kao, Katarzyna Kula, Abigail Arofsky, and Deanna Sack. Julan is a good friend. He comes to school ready to learn. Katarzyna is kind, talks and plays with others, is polite, and remembers to complete her work. Abby always helps people when they are sad, and she helps students understand their work. Deanna says good morning, please, and thank you. She plays with everyone and is helpful. Thank you, Deanna, Abigail, Katarzyna, and Julan. Kramer and Christopher Mauger. Anna's classmates notice that she always obeys the rules, salutes the flag respectfully, and gets to the rug on time. Christopher's classmates notice that he always cleans up when he is finished, salutes the flag respectfully, follows the rules, and helps others with their work. Thank you, Christopher and Anna. Lilith Ivanov Riley, Maurice Crosby, and Veer Patel. Lilith, Maurice, and Veer are good citizens. They always want to help others in need. Maurice, Veer, and Lilith follow classroom rules and always do their class jobs. Veer, Lilith, and Maurice are friendly to their classmates and to visitors to our school. They know what it means to be good citizens. Thank you, Veer, Maurice, and Lilith.
Join in singing, I am a good citizen. I am a good citizen. I come to school each day. I follow all the classroom rules, and I am friendly when I play. No is trash upon the floor, and I stop to pick it up. I help to clean when I put my tray away. going to find out about good citizens in the hallway.
Thank you to everyone who tries to work hard in the hallway for great hallway behavior. The winner this month with 7 Emily Eagle tickets is Mrs. Fair's class. We will get Emily to you in your classroom.
Okay, the winner of the Golden Ticket Award this month, this class, whether they get an ice cream or a pizza party, is James Lyons. James, I happen to have written this Golden Ticket one day. James was very helpful to a preschooler who was coming into the office and carrying a bunch of things, and he helped that student with all the things. So thank you, James, and congratulations to Ms. Finn's class. Okay, boys and girls, before we go, okay, let's remember, kindness matters. Let's be nice to our friends today. Okay, we don't know what tomorrow brings. So let's be ready for that also. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Parents, thank you for coming out today.